Let's continue our journey on how we describe quadratic functions transformations. Look, I'm going to give you a bunch of information now, and I'm going to tell you, give me the equation. Remember what the equation is. Y equals to A, x minus p squared plus q. Always remember that, guy. Burn that into your brain and understand what each one of those values, A, P, and Q, stand for. A, of course, is our stretch factor. P and Q this is our horizontal translation. This is our vertical translation. And that, in fact, the reason why we call this the vertex form is because guess what our vertex is? Our vertex is P comma Q. Lovely. So here we go. Let's go. Look at question number or letter A. There's the vertex. Vertex in this guy, of course, there's your P value. There's your Q value. Awesome. This is opening up. So guess what? Your A value, in fact, is going to be a positive. Oh, okay. And it's congruent to y equals to 9x squared. Congruent means it's the same as. So that means, guess what? There's our stretch factor. So combining these two things together, our A value turns out to be positive 9. Our P value, of course, is 5, and our Q value is 0. Now, all you have to do is pop that into this deluxe formula. Okay, y equals to, our A value is 9, x minus the P value, which is 5, squared, and the Q value is, in fact, 0. So you can put a 0 out here, but technically, you shouldn't. This is just as y equals to 9, x minus 5 squared, you're done. That's simple. Look at the next question. Look at this one here, okay? Check this out. You now got a vertex here of minus 4, 3. There's your P. So P equals to minus 4. There's the Q. Q equals to 3, okay? Congruent to 1/5. There's your A value. But opening down, which means your A, in fact, has to be negative. There is a vertical reflection about the x-axis. It's flipped. Aha! So combining these two things together, your A works out to be negative 1/5. Okay, write me the formula. Beautiful. Y equals to negative 1/5. X minus, don't forget, this is a minus 4. So there's the minus 4 squared, and there's the Q. Plus 3. So clean it up. Minus 1/5. X minus minus makes this a plus 4 squared and plus 3. And there's your formula. And that's how you do these, guys, all based on understanding the beautiful vertex form of the formula.